Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you and how I make stuffed chicken breast. Yes, so this is my chicken breast that I already washed and cleaned in some lemon juice. Okay, and what I did, I cut it because you have to cut it so you can stuff it. I'm gonna stuff it with cream cheese and spinach. So this one is already cut, so I'm gonna show you guys and how I cut this one. You want to take your time, get a sharp knife and just cut it from the side. Okay, yeah, so that's perfect. Look at that. This is exactly how you want it. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have half teaspoon of complete seasoning. I also have half teaspoon of poultry seasoning, half teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it all to my bowl right here because I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna also add some black pepper, but not now. Then what you want to do, you want to blend it all together like so. I'm gonna add my black pepper and I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. You want to add at least half of a teaspoon also. Yeah. So that's done. So now I'm gonna season my chicken breast, but firstly I'm gonna add some of my olive oil like so. Then I'm gonna take, you wanna just rub it in. Then I'm gonna sprinkle my seasoning like so. Make sure you turn it over. You're gonna also add some of the seasoning on the inside where you cut, because you want it to be nice and flavorful. Okay, and you want to carry on with the same process. Okay, so my chicken breast is nicely seasoned, and this is what it look like. It looking so yummy. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it to the side. Okay, yes. So now I'm gonna make my stuffing for my chicken breast. So here I have just over a handful of my spinach right here. I just wash it, and this is my cream cheese, and I'm using at least half cup. Okay, But what I'm gonna do to my cream cheese, guys, my remaining seasoning that I have leave back, I'm gonna add it to my cream cheese like so. I'm gonna also add some of my crushed garlic, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon, some black pepper, and some onion, just a small amount of onion. Yeah guys, so you want to just mix it all in so it will all combine. So now that it is all combined, I'm gonna add my cream cheese to my spinach. Now I'm gonna mix it all in, okay? So this is how you want it, guys. You want everything to all combine, okay? Like so. That's perfect. Yeah, so that's done. Now I'm gonna do the stuffing. You wanna just take your time, and you don't wanna overfill it, okay? Like so. Try and push it all the way down. Yeah, that should be fine, guys. I don't want to overfill it, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna take some toothpick and try and close it up a bit. So here I have a toothpick right here. I have a few of them. Because you want to close it up a bit, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna fry my chicken breast for at least 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So here I have my pot and my stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can always use some vegetable oil. So now that my oil and my pot is hot, I'm gonna add my chicken breast, okay? Just gonna take my time. So now I'm gonna take my time and flip it over. So guys, it is nice and browned. So now I'm gonna remove it and put it to my tray, okay? And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 20 minutes. And 180 degrees Celsius. You see that? Nicely brown. It looks super delicious. So good. So guys, it is all finished and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking absolutely delicious. Look at it, guys. The chicken is so moist, so juicy. Oh my goodness. This recipe right here is a must try. Your whole family will enjoy this recipe, guys. It is so good. You can serve it with some rice, some mashed potato, some salad, whatever you preferred. I hope you guys do share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Okay? Thank you all so much. And guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Give me a big thumbs up and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Okay? I'm gonna taste some and tell you guys what it's like. Honestly, it is so tasty. It is super delicious. I really love this recipe, guys. It is so good. I would definitely make it again. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.